First of all, we will select the Remove tool. After, we will zoom in on the subject. When will you click the left mouse button while holding Ctrl plus space? Then click on the bracket symbol button will small the Remove tool. Again press the hold Ctrl plus space, click mouse left button, zoom in. With the help of Remove tool, you will remove blemish skin dark spots. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comments. Pressing the Z button, you can right click and fit on screen. You will create a duplicate layer of the background with press the Ctrl plus J. Then change the layer name. Layer name Softening Skin. Go to Image Adjustment, select the invert Ctrl plus I. Change the blending mode, hard light. Go to Filter a menu, click on Other and select the High Pass. Then Radius 4.0. Hit the OK. Again go to Filter, click then Blur and select the Gaussian blur. Then Radius 0.7. Hit the OK. Click to add mask with hold Alt key. After, select the brush tool, we will change the foreground color. Follow the brush setting and don't miss any step. Just like a paint, you have to smooth skin with your brush tool. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comments. After, adjust opacity 85%. Now let me show you the before and after result. I have one request to you: watch the full video and subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Don't forget press the bell icon so that the new video